In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a self-learning control value clear on a 2016 Nissan Rogue using the X-431 torque. First select Nissan. To confirm the software select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Confirm van and select OK. Select automatic selection. Confirm vehicle and select OK. Select system selection. Select ECM. System info select OK. Select self-learning cont. System info asterisk please read asterisk and select OK. Select clear. Once completed select the back button. And that's how to perform a self-learning control value clear on a 2016 Nissan Rogue.